Dreaming of studying in Australia? Welcome to the Australian Academy of Hospitality and Management, where your global career begins. At the Australian Academy of Hospitality and Management, we bring industry-relevant training and experienced educators together to help you succeed. At AAHM, we offer a range of nationally recognised vocational courses tailored for international students. Hospitality and Kitchen Management, Certificate 4 and Diploma. Leadership and Management, Certificate 4 to Advanced Diploma. Accounting and Bookkeeping, Certificate 4 to Diploma. Building and Construction, Certificate 3 to Advanced Diploma. Gain practical, hands-on experience